This is Rushikesh. So here I'm going to present to you uh, disassembly and reassembly for jet engine. So here I have a jet engine, as you can see. I've colored it a little bit to define different parts of it. If we just look at this here, you can see a lot of different colors. So as you can see, once I use my controller to point at a specific part, we're able to see the name of the part. So buttons on the controller to disassemble a specific part and then it goes back to its original state. So just disassemble a few of these. So as you can see, even if the rotation is changed, once I bring it nearby to its original position, it goes back to how it was. Let's just reassemble all the parts. This is it. Hope you like it.